forex trading can be as easy as anything at all on this planet. So make trading easy for yourself. Don't complicate things. I want to analyze gold right now for you to see, so that you know how to analyze the market and make the right decision on the forex market. So this is my quotes. So I'll click on gold. That is the first one, XAUUSD. So let me click on that. Okay, so this is my 4-hour time frame. So this is the chart on the 4-hour time frame. And then first of all, what we are seeing over there, you realize that the market has made a resistance. Okay, the market have created some form of a resistance, and that is where I've placed the green horizontal line over there. Now that tells us that the sellers have positioned themselves over there. That is why they are trying to push the market to the downside. But don't forget that this market already is in an uptrend. So when you look at it, you realize that the market has been moving to the upside for some few days now. So the markets have created a resistance over there at 5,800 and 5,084. So over there, you demarcate that and then check your lower time frame. The next thing you should be mindful of is this rejection over here, this particular rejection over there, that is just below the red candle. Okay, so this particular rejection cannot be overlooked, because when the 4-hour candle, bearish candle, was moving to the downside, when it got there, it rejected and pushed up before the market closed. So even though the market have created a resistance, but that rejection over there cannot be overlooked, and we will see the importance of that rejection as we move along. So let's move on to the 3-hour time frame. So you can see clearly that this is the rejection, this is the resistance that the market created. Okay, and then this is the rejection. So indeed the market is in an uptrend, but currently, because it has created a resistance, the market is trying to retrace to the downside a little bit. So let's see if indeed this market will continue to the upside or will continue to the downside. Continue. So let's move on to 2-hour time frame. So 2-hour time frame, you can see the same resistance the market created, and then the rejection that the market have made. And don't forget that in the 2-hour time frame, we are seeing something beautiful. These huge candlesticks, this particular huge candlesticks, this particular huge candlesticks, okay, this particular huge bullish candlesticks created a fair value gap. And because of that fair value gap that's created in the 2 hours time frame, and the 4-hour time frame, when it was coming, it respected the 50% of the fair value gap that the market created in the 2-hour time frame. So you realize that when the market was coming and it reached this area, it's rejected because it's almost divided the big bullish candlesticks into two. So when you are using a Fibonacci retracement, you realize that this particular area is going to be a 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So what you do is that you demarcate that area. So let's see the most important of this. Let's check. Don't forget that this market is in an uptrend. You have that in mind. So we are looking for opportunity for a buy market, even though currently the market is moving to the downside because it has created a resistance and then it is retracing, and this is retracing because of the fair value gap that the market made. Don't forget that. So the fact that the market is retracing to the downside does not mean that you should sell the market. If you want a very good entry market, then you need to wait. Let's move on. Check the 1 hour. You can see clearly that the 1 hour Okay, you realize that when the market is pushing to the downside, as it's approaching the area of the rejection, you realize that the candlesticks are becoming smaller. And don't forget that this particular area, okay, this particular area here is a demand area. Okay, it's a demand area. Looking at using the 1 hour charts, okay, because this particular area, the market pushed strong to the upside before the reversal started. So you realize that as the market is retracing to retest the 50% Fibonacci levels, now as the market is approaching that level from the 1 hour point of view, the candlesticks are becoming smaller, and then still there are rejections at that zone. So let's see what happens. So this is the 30 minutes candlesticks. Okay, now the 30 minutes candlesticks has created what? Has created a support, okay, close to the area of rejection. 30 minutes have created a support close to the area of what? Rejection. Let's see what happened. Now we are going to wait for this particular support that the market created in the 30 minutes. It's very important. You cannot overlook it because it is very close to the area of rejection from the higher time frame. So we are expecting the market to respect this particular level. Regardless of how strong the market move, it should respect that level. So let's wait comfortably and see what is going to happen. Let's wait patiently and see what is going to happen. You realize that this market will be respecting this level, will keep on respecting this level until it's create another support again, or you see a different or another rejection of the level again. That validate that, yeah, the 50% Fibonacci levels has been tested, and then the market is likely to push to the upside. So we will wait patiently and see what is going to happen over here. So keep following and keep monitoring. Don't forget, this is Rutherford FX, and then I train people, especially new traders in Forex, and then I explain everything. I give signals every blessed day, almost 80% winning rate of my signal. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also make sure that you comment and share my videos, and then subscribe as well. So let's wait patiently and see what is going to happen. Now when I change the time frame to 10 minutes, what are we seeing? We are seeing, yes, the market is respecting that zone. Okay, so the support that is created in the 30 minutes chart is still showing over there in even the 10 minutes. So let's see what is going to happen. Don't forget that when you check the 10 minutes, the movement is some sort of aggressive movement to the downside, and we cannot overlook that as well. But before we enter the market, we need to get a confirmation. Even if we will sell this market, then we have to make sure that the market is pushing to the downside and close below this support created, that is the 5,023. If not, when the market rejects at that point, then we will get the opportunity to sell the market, because the market, that area, is the 50% Fibonacci of the 2-hour time frame. So this is how we analyze the market, and you can see clearly that when the market, from the 10 minutes, the market is respecting the zone. So there is what? A rejection. So when are we going to enter this market? We will enter this market only when the 10 minutes candlestick closed, and gives it close with a confirmatory candlestick. So it's not every candlestick that forms over there that you're going to enter the market. You have to look for a particular candlestick. So the candlestick that is going to form should be a confirmatory candlestick. Once it's confirmatory candlesticks, then you are confident enough to enter the market. So let's keep on watching. Let's check the 5 minutes. So you can see clearly that the 5 minutes is also respecting the zone. Okay, so we will have to wait patiently and then see the kind of candlesticks that is going to form at this area before we enter the market. So keep on watching and then keep on subscribing. Don't forget to share, comment. If you have any question, do that. If you want to understand forex and know how to trade profitably, then you can't afford to miss my class. You will need to subscribe, and then you will need always to watch my videos, and then send me a DM. Check in the description, you will see my WhatsApp number over there. Send me a WhatsApp message and I'll add you to my my mentorship class, and then I'll train you as well. So keep on watching. Keep on watching, guys. So let's see how it's going to happen, right? Let's see. Don't forget that there is a support, and we started establishing this particular support from the 30 minutes. Even though from the 4 hour, from the 3 hour, there is a huge support created, and that particular there is a huge resistance created. But in a long term, the market is bullish. So that is what we call a retracement, and it's retracing because there is a fair value gap that was created in the 2 hour that has to be filled before the market continue to push to the upside. So because of that, we will have to wait. So this, you can see clearly that the 5 minutes have created what we called a doji candle, which is close to this particular resistance area. So if you are a scalper, you scalp, okay, this can be an opportunity for you to just immediately enter the market. So you just buy immediately, and because you are a scalper, you are not going to hold it for long. But if you are a day trader, you want to hold your position for so long, look at the 15 minutes. So the 15 minutes also respecting the zone. Okay, so you can see clearly that the 15 minutes is also respecting the zone and pushing to the upside. So if you are a scalper and you enter the market, imagine the profit you are making right now. So from this area, that is 5,023.929. You see, from that area alone to the area where the market is right now, the market has made almost how many? Almost 2,000 pips. Almost 2,000 pips. Okay, so that is how we trade, or we analyze them. So if you are a scalper, you want to enter it and take profit within the shortest possible time, maximum 10 minutes or 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Immediately you see the signal, you enter, and you are entering because this area, the market created, this doji is an area that is that previously the market created a support over there. Okay, so let's continue to watch and see how we're going to make this. So if you want to hold your position for long, you wait. I'll teach you when you enter the market. But if you are just a scalper, then you've already entered immediately this current 5 minutes opened. So let's see what happened. I am expecting this market to push all the way to at least 5,066, somewhere here, okay, somewhere 5,000 and then 60 or 60 something. So let's see, that's about how many pips? That's about from here to there, that's about 4,000 pips. So let's see what's going to happen. Keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then send me send a comment. If you have any question, just ask Don't forget to join my Telegram group at Rutherford Forex Room, Router FX Room. Make sure you join the Telegram group over there. If you want to join my monthly mentorship class, send me a WhatsApp message. Check in the description, you will see my WhatsApp message, and you send me a message, so I'll add you to my mentorship class. So that's it. Let's keep on watching, guys. Let's keep on watching, guys. Keep on watching. So already you can see clearly that the 5 minutes is pushing strongly up, and don't forget that we are waiting for, if you are a scalper, you've already entered, we are waiting patiently to make some good profit. Okay, let's keep on watching. Let's see. So if you have any question, don't forget to send it at the comment section. I'm always available to answer all your questions. I know new traders are asking, why did I enter for a buy when there is a resistance created in the higher time frame? So I think that this simple explanation, you have learned a lot. And then, forex comes with experience. So if before you start trading as a pro trader, you will need to study, you will need to learn, you need to have a strategy, you need to understand market mechanics before you start making you start trading on the forex market. The next thing I want to now, the time is 1:20. Okay, let's go and check the 20 minutes candle and see what is happening. And don't forget that the market is still moving strongly in our direction, so we are still holding on the our trade. Okay, so currently we've made about almost that's about 2,000 and over pips, about 2,000 pips now. So let's continue to watch. Let's check the 10 minutes candlestick. So guys, you see what I was talking about. The 10 minutes candlesticks has also created a support. So this is confirming your entry, even though you've entered in the 5 minutes, but then the 10 minutes have confirmed that yes, whatever you've done is right. Okay, so right now we are moving at 2,500 pips. So let's continue. Let's check the 20 minutes candlesticks. So let's see. So looking at the 20 minutes candlesticks, there is something funny over here, but still this market will move to the upside. You see there is a support created. Okay, so this particular 20 minutes candlestick, we are expecting this 20 minutes candlesticks to also close bullish, to create a new support. Once it creates this particular support, then it means that we can continue to hold this our entry. So let's continue. Let's go back to our 5 minutes and see. So right now, yeah, we are at 2,500 pips. Let's see. Let's go back to the 5 minutes candlesticks. Yeah, you see. So we keep moving. Let's see what happened, guys. So you need to understand the market before you start trading. So make sure you send me a WhatsApp message right now so that I'll add you to my online mentorship class. You will not pay anything much, just something small, and I'm willing to teach you so that you become a pro trader like myself. Okay, so make sure that you continue to watch my subscribe to my channel, and then share as well, so that other beginner traders will also get the opportunity to learn trading. So let's see what is happening. Let's see, we are making good money right now. We are making 2,000 600 pips, 2600 pips. Let's see what's going to happen. So we call something scale in. So scale in, after you've entered your market, first bullish candlestick push in your favor. The next one, based on how the previous bullish candlestick closed, you realize that no, the next one is likely to push. You add another what do you call it, trade. Okay, so for example, after the closure of this particular green candle, we could have entered for the second trade. Okay, after the closure of this particular one, the one before the current candle, you could have entered another. So already we have what we've entered the first one here, which is we entered the first one there. So the second one, you could have entered it over here as well. That is what we call scale in. So as you make profit, don't be quick to close your order because you are making profit. You should rather be quick to add more onto your profit. And then don't forget that you have to use your stop losses, your TP and everything. And then I told you that I'm expecting the TP to be around 5060, which like about these are about 4000 and something pips. So let's see and wait patiently. Let's wait patiently. We're going to make a lot of profits. So don't forget, we've entered this market here and we are expecting to take our first profit at 6060. So let's keep on holding. Keep on holding, guys. Let's see. Beautiful. So currently we are moving at 3,300 pips. 3,300 pips now. 3,000 and almost 3,400 pips now. So let's see how we're gonna make these profits. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Send me a message if you want to learn how to trade. You are a beginner trader, you are suffering, you are blowing your account every day. I am the genuine mentor that I can teach you. Within 1 month, you should be able to see profit. I will teach you how to trade. I will trade with you every day, give you free signals within the mentorship period for 1 month. Okay, so you trade whilst you earn some money on the markets. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see. Currently the market is moving at how many pips now? Almost 4,000 pips now. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's see. Let's continue to watch. Let's see. As soon as it's 1:30, we will check the 30 minutes as well and look at how the 30 minutes candle is also formed. So that will even motivate us either to continue to hold this market or take some partial profit and then hold the rest, or we will close it. So you need to understand the market. You don't just wake up and start trading. If you do that, you will blow your account. You will continue to blow your account. At least pay something for someone to teach you forex. You will never regret for that. If not, you will blow your account over and over again. So let's continue. Let's see what's going to happen. Wait patiently. Wait patiently. Let's make money together over here, guys. The only mentor that will give you all the secrets you need to be a profitable trader, that is Rutherford FX. Rutherford FX. So don't forget to join my mentorship class. Every month we start from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. We trade with you, we teach you how to trade, and also we teach you how to trade and also trade with you every day. So you will learn as you make profits. You learn and make profits along. Let's continue. Let's continue to watch and wait patiently. Once you know you've done the right thing, you are not scared. You are not scared because you know you've done the right thing. No matter what, you are going to make profit. Okay? So let's see. Let's wait patiently. Let's wait patiently. Let's wait. So it's 1:30 now. Let's check the 30 minutes candle. Let's check. You see how beautiful the 30 minutes candles has formed. So that confirms that yes, we can continue to hold our order. So the 30 minutes candle has also created a support. Okay, it has also created a support. That is the second support, which is here. That is the second support. That validates that we should continue to hold our order. In fact, we're going to make a lot. Okay, let's check the 10 minutes. You see how the 10 minutes created a support. So this is the first and second, the current one is the third one. So we are confident that yes, this market will continue to push in our direction. So don't close it, continue to hold until the market hits our TP. We are holding the market. We are holding this trade. You see the 1 hour. You see what I told you, because this area was what a previous support here, because it was a previous support, we are expecting something, and then the market pushed all the way to this area because there was a fair value gap in the 2 hours. So you see guys, you see what is happening. You see what is happening. So we are making a lot. Currently we are making 4,600 pips, 4,600 pips. So we can even extend our TP if you want. If we can even extend our TP, because this market can continue to push. We can even extend our TP to somewhere 6,300. No, 5,062. But currently the market is almost at our TP. So let's see what is going to happen. You see what is happening? So we've made a lot of pips. We've made a lot of profits. And then let's continue to watch. So we are seeing this current rejection here because of this particular resistance the market created in the 5 minutes.